So as we carry on into 3.1c part 2, we're actually going to calculate the area. So if we look, we have a right rectangular prism. So we'll cut it apart and we'll end up, now this is a rectangle, so it's going to be two shorter lengths on the top and the bottom and two wider lengths on the side. So if we take a look, when we fold it out, we have different areas. But this side area here, that's 1 by 9 by 3.8, 1.9 by 3 is area 2 here, and area 2 here. There's two of them. Usually when you have a rectangular box, you'll end up with three different types of area, two of each. Okay, then we also have this one that's 4.6 by 1.9. That's the one that's on the top of the surface and the one that's on the bottom of the surface. Okay, that pops out here. So basically we topped off the top, popped off the bottom. Okay, and then area 3 in here is 4.6 by 3.8. Okay, so we draw out the prism as a net. Then to calculate the total area, we find the area of area 1. So length times width 4.6 by 1.9. And then we double it. Then we find the area of 2, 1.9 by 3.8. Because there's two of them, we'll double it. Then we'll find area 3, 4.6 by 3.8. And then we'll double it, and then we'll add those three things together. Okay, so area 1, 1.9 by 4.6 gives us this, but because there are two of them, we're going to make sure that we multiply by 2 down when we calculate the total surface area. Okay, there are two rectangles that are 1 by 9 by 3.8. 1.9 by 3.8 is 7.22. And there are two that are 4.6 by 3.8. That's area 3. So that gives us 17.48. But we have to remember there's two area 1s, two area 2s, two area 3s. So when we calculate the total surface area, we go 2 times area 1 plus 2 times area 2 plus 2 times area 3. Right? And so when we do that and substitute in the numbers that we got, we get a total surface area of 66.9 meters cubed. Okay. This one will be very similar. You're going to end up with a net that'll have two sides that are 6 by 8s, two sides that are 10 by 6s, and two that are 10 by 8s. You can actually follow the example very similar. Whereas the next one, though, you're going to end up with two ends that are right triangles, but it looks like you're going to end up with three different rectangles. You're going to end up with a 4 by 8 rectangle. You're going to end up by a 3 by 8. And in the background where you can't see, you're going to end up with, like if we draw this line across the bottom, you're going to end up with a 5 by 8, right? Rectangle that's in the back that we can't see. So keep on working, keep on trying. This one's very similar, except for when you flip out, you're going to have a trapezoid end. So you're going to have rectangle, rectangle that's the same, rectangle on the top that's different, and rectangle on the bottom that's different, and then two endpoints that are the same. Go ahead and try. If you need help, make sure you ask for help, and definitely try and draw out that net. Okay?